Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with the email number and also a serial number of this device. Let me tap on OK and let me turn the screen. Come on, okay. So now let me show you another code which will open the battery status. So you will be able to check some info about the battery, and it is *pound 0228 pound. And as I said, we've got the battery status here, so we've got the info about the network, the current value, of course, the voltage, the level block, and so on. So now let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the USB settings, and the code is *pound 0808 pound. And as you can see here, we've got USB settings, so we've got 5 different modes from which we can choose, and all you have to do in order to change the mode is to simply tap on the one you'd like to set and simply tap on OK. You can of course tap on reboot and then your device will be restarted. Let's get back, let me turn the device again. And here let me enter another code which will open the firmware version. It is *pound 1234 pound. And as I said, we are in the firmware version, so we can check the APCP or the model of this device. Let me get back, let me turn the screen again, and here let me show you the last code which will open the service mode, and the code is *pound 0011 pound. And as I said, we are in the service mode, so here we can check some technical info, so for example RRC, the PCI, the mode also, and the final email certification and the modem. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.